How to clean a Mythos One. This should be done every 50 kilos and takes about 15 minutes. You will need a 2-point Phillips head screwdriver, a 20 and 17mm offset ring spanner, a grinder brush, a metal pick, and an air duster. A vacuum also works as well. Start by removing the hopper and then the 4 screws. Unplug the power cord and remove the front burr carrier. Hold the back burr carrier with your 20mm ring spanner and use the 17mm ring spanner to remove the bolt. Turn clockwise to loosen. Remove the bolt, the washer, and the back burr carrier. Use your brush and pick to thoroughly clean behind the back burr carrier. This should be immaculate. Use the air duster or vacuum to remove the final particles. Thoroughly clean all removed parts. It is essential that you align the central grinder piece with the back burr carrier. If aligned correctly, there should only be a couple of millimeters give in each direction. Replace the washer and bolt and tighten firmly. Replace the front burr carrier, followed by the 4 screws, and tighten firmly, making sure to not over tighten. Reconnect your power cable, replace your hopper, and you're ready to grind.